Why are tornadoes more common in the United States than elsewhere? The answer lies in a unique combination of geography and weather patterns that create the perfect tornado factory you didn't know existed. The United States, especially the central part known as Tornado Alley, is uniquely shaped with vast flat plains. This allows cold, dry air from Canada and the Rocky Mountains to clash directly with warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico. This constant collision creates instability in the atmosphere, a critical ingredient for tornado formation. No other place on Earth has this exact mix of geography and air masses meeting so often. Tornadoes start with powerful thunderstorms. When warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico rises rapidly and meets colder, drier air higher up, it causes the air to spin and form supercell storms. These supercells have rotating updrafts called mesocyclones, which can tighten into a tornado. The U.S. experiences these air mass collisions regularly, unlike most other countries. Tornado season in the U.S. peaks in spring and early summer because that's when cold and warm air differences are strongest. The sun heats the ground, warming the Gulf air, while cold fronts push down from Canada. This seasonal timing makes tornadoes more frequent and intense in the U.S. compared to other parts of the world where these air patterns are less pronounced or seasonal. So the U.S. is a tornado hotspot because of its unique geography, air mass collisions, and seasonal weather patterns. Understanding this helps us prepare better for these powerful storms. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and learn the surprising science behind the world around you.